Hi,
Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing well. I just came back from a workout.
That's great. Exercise is such an important part of a healthy lifestyle.
I completely agree. It makes me feel more energetic and productive.
Same here. Whenever I exercise regularly, I feel much better, both physically and mentally.
Many people know exercise is important, but they still struggle to stay consistent.
That's true. Starting is easy, but maintaining the habit is the real challenge.
Why do you think exercise is so important?
There are many reasons. First, it improves physical health.
Definitely.
Regular exercise strengthens muscles, improves heart health, and increases stamina.
It also helps maintain a healthy weight.
Exactly. Combined with proper nutrition, exercise can prevent many health problems.
Such as obesity and heart disease.
Right.
I think people often focus only on the physical benefits.
But there are mental benefits too.
Absolutely.
Exercise helps reduce stress and anxiety.
I've noticed that myself.
Really?
Yes, whenever I'm feeling stressed, a workout helps me clear my mind.
That's because exercise releases chemicals that improve mood.
I've heard about that.
It can even help people sleep better.
Better sleep leads to better productivity.
Exactly. Everything is connected.
What type of exercise do you enjoy most?
I enjoy going to the gym and lifting weights.
Nice.
What about you?
I prefer walking and jogging.
Those are excellent choices too.
I like being outdoors.
Fresh air and movement are a great combination.
Some people think exercise has to be intense.
That's a common misconception.
Even a daily walk can provide significant benefits.
Exactly. Consistency matters more than intensity.
That's an important lesson.
Small daily habits often produce the biggest long-term results.
Similar to learning a new skill.
Very true.
Exercise also teaches discipline.
Definitely.
There are days when you don't feel motivated.
But you do it anyway.
That's where discipline becomes important.
Successful people often rely more on discipline than motivation.
Motivation comes and goes.
Discipline keeps you moving forward.
That's a powerful mindset.
Exercise can build confidence too.
How so?
When people see themselves becoming stronger or happier, it proves muscles.
That makes sense.
Achieving goals inspires.
Even small progress